And a good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Mark Thibodeau here, continuing to track severe weather across the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast states. A brand new tornado warning now for parts of South Jersey. This includes Atlantic, Burlington, as well as Camden counties. That's going to go till 8:30 p.m. Tornado just north and west of Melissa, moving down to the south and east at about 35 to 40 miles an hour. Potential here for a rotation with this particular storm as it moves down to the south and east. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we see as we look on the radar here. We're going to zoom in and take a look at what the radial velocity looks like. That's what the winds are doing within this particular thunderstorm. And you can see that we have, again, kind of one of these broad circulations happening here across South Jersey. That's kind of been the story of the day, with the potential for a brief, weak spin-up tornado with this particular storm as it continues to move down to the south and east at about 30 miles an hour. So I would say if you're in Egg Harbor or potentially Weymouth and Galloway, you want to take cover immediately. Macy's Landing as well. Could be looking at this cell moving down to the south and east. To go sort of hand in hand with that tornado warning, we also have a convective wind threat going on here. Severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic, Burlington, Camden counties at the same time until 8:30. And again, the northern part of the storm that we are looking at here has the best potential for possibly producing a weak tornadoes. You can see here, kind of right in here, kind of where that winds up a little bit. You can see there's a bit of a kink in the line, kind of going back like that, kind of back in the southeast to northwest direction. So what we look at here is for the winds to kind of wrap up a little bit. And you can kind of see that's trying to happen kind of right in that area, right on the eastern edge of that cell. We have another little one up, kind of up to the north here, kind of outside of the tornado warning polygon. But either way, I would say anywhere right along this line. You want to be inside a sturdy building, lowest interior room without windows. A basement is preferable as the storm continues to drop down to the south and east. And again, inside the tornado warning here, looking at the area approaching coastal Jersey very soon here. You can see Little Egg Harbor just down the road, Galloway, Weymouth right in the path of the storm right now with a damaging straight line wind threat and the potential here where we see these little appendages within the line right in here and kind of right in there for possibly a tornado. It'd be a weak tornado if anything, but enough energy going on there that we could have enough to bring down maybe some trees and power lines and potentially produce some minor structural damage if in fact we do have a tornado here. But so far, looking at radar indicated, these tornadoes today where they've been has spun up quickly and they've not lasted very long either. So you don't have a lot of time here along the 206, along 30. Take cover immediately. We continue to watch this threat further down the coast and we'll continue to track it as we head through the evening. Take cover now.
Of it, sir.
Okay.
What's in the back of it?